here at the Tabba networking event. This is July the 28th. Great folks here.
Make sure you get the funding again.
If you want to get your business out, this is the place to be. Tabba. July the 28th. Friday. Out here networking. We're out here doing the thing at Tabba. Got some great folks here. This is a wonderful event which they mixed in some of the young people. This is a great way if you want your young person to get in business, bring them to a networking event so they can get to know some of the movers and shakers. We're here at Tabba, 5308 Emerson Avenue, July the 28th. Tory Rose, networking. Come on out. We'll be here till 10.